Today I'm going to be reviewing GUERRI's soundproof foam panels. These are 12 by 12 by 2 inches. This is what they look like. It's a 36 pack. I've reviewed these before. I've had the pyramid pattern. Now, I just opened this up, so I want you to see what happens when you open it up. It doesn't fully expand. It can take 24 to 48 hours, even longer. There's other ways if you need it faster, hair dryer, but there's the other end, which has expanded. But once they fully expand, they'll be good. This is actually how they come. They'll come sealed, airtight bags. You know, it's easier to ship it that way, much smaller footprint, especially with 36 of these. Patterns, you know, I'm not a music expert, but I do know that this pattern's used in the pyramid pattern. Pretty standard, really easy to install these. You can either spray some adhesive on the back. It does not come with either one of these options, either spray adhesive or strong double-sided tape. Just put it on there and then just, you know, put it up against the wall and stick it on there as you need it. 4.2 stars, 462 reviews, Amazon choice, 400 of these were bought last month, October 2025. So they do pretty well. So if you're looking for some type of soundproofing solution, you know, this is the way they go. They got some other sizes if you need that also. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.